now, ladies and gentlemen, the band has a special number for Mr. President.
Yeah, water.
This song is for you. Please listen.
Respectfully ask that you come forward and have a small Lagos gift for you. And I also want to invite my two former brothers, former Governor Raji Fashola, former Governor Ambode, to join me at presenting what is symbolic in Lagos as a gift of presence here. Mr. President, you know too well the symbol of Adeyinka. You know the symbol of Adeyinka, President. This is something historic and cultural in Lagos that comes out very, very rarely. And by the grace of God, it will wave away all form of thieves in our land, and it will be glorious tenure. Thank you, sir.
Photographers, I want you to take this picture. This is the most iconic picture of this generation. 4 men, a father, 3 sons that set Lagos right. Can I have a round of applause for them?
Your vision started train. Now we have the train in Lagos, and it is an honor that we present a model of it for you, Mr. President. Thank you very much.
Photographers, this is a picture, and I know the caption, a father and his 3 sons. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce him the way I used to introduce him as governor of Lagos State. He's an epitome of dynamism, intellectualism, social and cultural essentialism, a synthesis of Sikhism, Awoism, Ahmaduism, and Babaism. He condemns in totality all forms of political brouhaha, economic chachandara, social embembe, myopic socialism, and dialectical materialism. His philosophy is the philosophy of Jeosokeism. Ladies and gentlemen, he has confounded his critics and made his allies proud. President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the most populous nation on the face of the earth, President Bola Tinubu, GCFR.
Have your seat, please. The Vice President, do I start from you? First Lady, CON. When you live long, you shall see wonders. And it's a wonderful day today. I saw our gathering 63 years on the throne. Be on the throne before Fashola was born. We had a good time. I thought returning to Lagos, I was tired. And I wanted to go to rest. But you all inspired me. And this is a wonderful evening. Today, hosting the event, that I'm sad supporting, and their wives. And I say thank you. To all governors, and I heard that the chairman of the Governor Forum, Abdurrasaq Abdurrahman, is closer to making Nigeria a successful country. They have done well. To have the success, the electoral success, and the election twice consecutively against the tyranny of leadership in that state is something else. Thank you very much for making our party very proud. So many of you, the governors here, hope and renew hope Senate President. You are a former governor. So, thank you. The Speaker, you have not been a governor, but I thank you anyway. The Chief of Staff is not being a governor. I thank you. I won't give you the fun of the jokes I had with the former president. We will spill on that another time. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my uncle who brought the vision and the chairman of the Governance Advancement Council, Prince Oluyole Olusi. Thank you very much. I didn't forget that caution and that warning of that time. But we are seeing the essence of perseverance. It took a while, a great journey. The time is gone. I won't dwell on the story of the tortoise, but the turtle and the snake. Who will win the race? But this is the challenging time for us, and God's time is the best. To all of you, our party members or non-party members, you came for Eid celebration. You share the joy of perseverance with me. Thank you. All I want to say today is thank you and thank God. I could see some of my friends who have been long yearning to see me. But the assignment is greater than the love of living room. We've got to do the job. And thank you for spreading the understanding to our Nigerian people that we need to take the steps to stop the bleeding of our finances through speedy action. On fuel subsidy. We have no choice. From there, we must re-engineer the effectiveness of control and management of our resources in order to meet the obligation owed to Nigerians by a politician. We are on. And I'm standing here assuring you that I will not relent in working with all of you with available resources. 25 million people, Nigeria. You can't afford to go under. You can't afford to be Father Christmas to neighboring countries. We can't just afford the petroleum subsidy. And it's getting home and the foreign exchange. Yes, I could have said to say I want to share my benefits. And participate in the arbitrage. But God forbid, no! That's not why you elected me. You chose me to bring about necessary changes that will benefit not only you, but your grandchildren and our tomorrow. I say thank you. We have just started. We have to re-engineer the financial system of the country. Break apart and see that economic planning and budgeting process is transparent enough to cater for all Nigerians. It was today Fashola who was telling me the other time that each time I fly across, I should look down and I will see so much dusty or paved roads and incomplete projects. Yes, I've seen them. I'm going to see more. But the governors present here today will share the joy with me that we adhere to true federalism. We will work together. Open door policy that will bring Nigeria from bricks back to a resilient economy. Be ready. You governors, I won't pull it off there yet. I know what I'm going to do from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on. And I want us to be partners so that we can rescue our country and make it whole again. I'm very, very grateful. I've kept many of you hungry since you are waiting for dinner or lunch. Lunch that turned to dinner. I'll cut it short. Say thank you. Accept it. I thank all of you. I thank my people. joy of giving, the joy of perseverance, the joy of resilience, endurance. You will see the reward for this country. It's going to be prosper for us and be prosperous. I heard the Senate President and I heard the Speaker. I just didn't allow him to break in. Away from home. I'm glad Tajuddin Abbas is here, and all of you. The chairman of our party is equally here. I want to say thank you to all of you. I appreciate tonight. I will continue to appreciate it more when we work together to dissect the possible economic prosperity of our nation in favor of our children. And I'm glad to see everybody. Thank you, Akin. Very good. God bless you all. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, that is the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola, Tinubu, GCFR. Please can we make the applause louder? Thank you. And with that, Your Excellencies and our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please, I want to crave your indulgence. Please rise on your feet as we take the anthem of this great nation, the most populous flag nation on the face of earth. Thank you. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and God bless you. Thank you very much. It's been a wonderful day with you. My name is Sheila, the BCFR, the Black Comedian of the Federal Republic. Good night.